Hey guys, Chuck Russell here, and this is Fishing Pleasures. I'm out here on my friend's dock today. I'm just going to see what we can catch. There's quite a few fish swimming around. One just surfaced there. Got a little yum beaver tail grub on there. Mostly for panfish, but it does catch the occasional small bass. So we're not going for any giants today, we're just having some fun. So watch if you like to have fun. Got one, and that one's a bass. Well, he took right off after it too. He was hooked good, not going anywhere. First fish, and it's this nice little bass here. Alrighty. Got him that time. Got him that time. Alright, got us a perch. There you go, folks. Look at that. Nice specimen. Good looking perch right there. Nice little yellow perch. See you later, Mr. Perch. Fish has it and spit it back out. Now we got a fish. This one is a green sunfish, folks. We got a green sunfish, third species of the day, and it's a beautiful specimen. Look at that. Third fish, third species, and it's a beautiful green sunfish. There you go. Awesome. Got another fish. And this one is another green sunfish. We already caught this species. Still a nice looking fish though. Nice green sunfish. Nice looking fish. Got a fish already. It's a bass. This is the second cast with the Pop R. He's swimming in, and I'm gonna pop him right out. There we go. That's a spotted bass. He's got a toothy patch right on his tongue there. So that one's a spotted bass. Nice. On the old Rebel Pop R. Oh, he missed it. And he's probably not going to hit it again. Yeah, I got him. Keep him down. Reel him in. He's not hooked the greatest. Water skiing. Got him right in here. That's a decent bass. It's probably a 13, maybe a barely 14-inch bass. Got him on the old Rebel Pop R. True classic. See you later, bass. It's a good looking fish. He was ready to go. He was chomping my hands. Got a fish that time. Oh, it's a green sunfish. We already caught this species today. Nice fish though. Nice little guy. Back in you go. Little green sunfish. Got a fish right away. Oh, he's trying to... Whoa. Almost hit me. Oh, and it's a new species. Alright, new species for today anyways. I've caught this species before. This looks like a bluegill. That's a nice little bluegill. Right there. Get him unhooked here. Feisty little thing. Alright, that's another species. It's a nice bluegill. Just a dinky thing. Another little green sunfish right there. Just a little guy this time. He's hungry though. There we go. Got a fish. Came right in here, and it's another species for the day. Excellent. This one is a beautiful pumpkin seed sunfish. Look at the colors. If he'll hold still for just a minute. Look at the colors on this beauty right here. What a gorgeous looking fish. There we go. Kind of had to hurry because of that truck, but another species for the day. That is the 6th, I believe, species. Got another fish. Oh, it's a little better. That's a nice sized bluegill right there. That is a nice bluegill. Wow. Look at that. That is a gorgeous bluegill. Check that guy out. Wow. That's a nice one. Probably at least an 8-incher. That is a 9-inch bluegill. Nice. That is a 9-inch bluegill, folks. 9 inches. Wow, did you see that? He skipped right over the log. Ha, that was pretty cool. 1 inch shy of master angler. Got another fish. This one looks like another green sunfish. Yep, it sure is. Another green sunfish. I hope you guys can see this alright. I might have to brighten it up in post-processing. Another green sunfish today. Got him. Yep, we got him. Not putting up a huge fight. Not a very big fish either. Another largemouth bass for the day. There goes the bass. Hey folks, thanks for watching this multi-species fishing episode. If you like what you saw, please like it, subscribe, leave a nice comment. I like those. Stick around, there's going to be more this year too. So, thanks for watching.